Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Rahayu, for all for us. Good night, everyone. My name is Davina Grasala, and I'm from class MN25K. Today, I would like to talk about the role of technology in higher education and how universities are currently navigating the digital frontier. Technology is no longer an optional tool in education. It has become an essential infrastructure that shapes how we teach, learn, and conduct research. From online classrooms to artificial intelligence, technology now influences almost every academic activity. In this presentation, I will explain how technology transforms learning models, role of educator and student in higher education. Next slide, I will explain analyzing pedagogical shift, research democracy, and global accessibility. Higher education is currently experiencing what we can describe as a digital paradigm shift. Traditional learning to place in physical lecture halls, libraries, and laboratories. However, today universities are transitioning toward intelligent digital infrastructure. The core objective of this presentation is to analyze how technology serves as the foundation for modern pedagogical transformation and student engagement. Technology is not only changing where learning happens, but also how learning happens. As widely maintained in academic discuss, the traditional boundaries of the university campus are dissolving in the face of digital intelligence. Learning is no longer limited by geography, time, or physical resource. This shift has profound implication for teaching method, research access, and educational equity. And next, hybrid learning and research democracy. Okay, first let's use examine the transition from traditional learning models to hybrid and digital learning environment. Of the most significant development in this area is the implementation of learning management system or LMS. A significant correlation exists between the use of LMS platform and the rise of student autonomy. In the past, the sake of the states model dominate academia where professors were the primary source of knowledge and students were passive learning listener. However, with the introduction of the flipped classroom model, students can now engage with foundational material such as recorded lecture, reading, and quizzes before ending class. As a result, class time can be used for critical discussion, problem solving, and collaborate activities. This shift result and movement from teacher-centered instruction to by digital platform. Okay, next. I will explain the inclusivity, AI, and future. Okay, beyond flexibility, technology also plays a crucial role in promoting inclusivity within higher education. Digital learning environments support what is known as universal design for learning. For example, students with hearing implementation can benefit from a live captioning and speech-to-text technologies, while students with visual impairments can use screen reader and AI-based navigation tools. These technologies help bridge the gap for students who might otherwise be marginal by traditional classroom settings. In this edition, provide analysis and big data are increasingly used by universities to monitor student progress. By identifying students who are at risk of falling behind, institution can provide early academic support and intervention in light of their development. The role of the educator has evolved. Professors are no longer simply provider of fact, fact sorry, in light of this development, the role of the educator has evolved. Professors are no longer simply provider of fact, but mentors who guide critical thinking and create credible academic course. Okay, next slide. I will explain the conclusion in Q&A session. Okay, synthesis is technology empowers human potential by removing administrative barrier and fostering hybrid flexibility. Digital divide, a critical need to ensure equitable access to present widening the socio-economic gap in education. Final statement is digital tools are entire of human intellectual potential, not replacement or for human interaction. Academic expression is the work of evidence support the view that digital tools maintain human potential while maintaining academic intelligence. Okay, moving to my second main point, we trust consider the democratization of research and information. In the past, academic knowledge when was often research behind expensive journal substitution and elite institutional libraries. Today, open access journal, digital responses, and cold computing have transformed how research is conducted. A receiver is a developing country can have access the same high quality data data sets and publications and a scholar at a prestigious university. This has significantly accelerated the pace of scientific development and global collaboration. However, this abundance of information also requires strong digital literacy. Students must be trained to evaluate source strict critically and these skills peer-reviewed research from misinformation. In conclusion, while some critics argue that technology may reduce the human element, supports the view that digital tools enhance human intellectual potential rather than replace it. Technology removes administrative barriers and allow educators to focus on mentorship, ethical and quietly and critical thinking. At the same time, It is essential to address the digital divide to ensure that technological progress benefit all students equally. Okay, in this uh, picture visual, yeah. Okay, next slide. Mm, I have I have quiz for you. Raise your hand if you know the answer, please. Okay, Zara, what the answer?
The answer is B. A model where students learn foundational content online before class and use class time for discussion.
Yes, right. And next, I have a quiz again. And you know the answer?
Aku.
Okay, Ruth, what the answer?
Wait, ya. Answer B. The correlation between LMS implementation and increased student autonomy.
Okay, right, Ruth. And next, how has technology promoted equality in higher education? Raise hand if you know the answer. Okay, Dion.
And answer to question B. By providing safe tools like live captioning for students with disabilities.
Okay, right. Any question? Okay, Zara.
How does technology change the role of students and educators in higher education?
Okay. The answer is technology fundamental shift higher education from a teacher-centered model to a student, from a teacher-centered model to a student-centered learning environment. Students are no longer passive recipients of information. Instead, they actively engage with learning material through digital platforms such as learning management system and flipped classroom. At the same time, the role of educator evolves from a provider of fact to a mentor and corrector of credible course. Professors guide students in critical thinking, ethical inquiry, and information evaluation rather than merely delivering content. Any question? Okay, Ruth.
What challenge do students often face during online learning?
What?
What challenge do students often face during online learning?
Okay. The answer is technology promote inclusivity by reducing physical, geographical, and accessibility barrier in education, assist technologies such as speech-to-text tools, screen reader, and AI-based translation system allow marginalized students, including those with disabilities, to participate more fully in academic life. Furthermore, hybrid and online learning models provide flexibility for students who may face economic, health, and logistical constraints. From an academic perspective, technology acts as a bridge that supports equity by enabling equal access to learning, resource, and opportunities. Okay, and next, one more again, please. Oke, Ope.
Yes. How can students improve their self-discipline in online learning?
Hmm, oke. The answer is while technology offers many benefits, it also presents significant challenges. One major concern in the digital divide, where unequal access to device and internet connectivity may widen existing socioeconomic gaps. Other challenge is digital literacy with the abundance of online information. Students must develop the ability to critically evaluate source and discuss per reviewed research from missing information. Therefore, institution must invest not only in technological infrastructure but also in training educator and student to use digital tools responsibly and efficiently. Okay, uh, thank you guys. Bye bye.